How to enable MMS on iPhone? Well, it's a very simple and a quick process. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down and then head over to apps. In here, it will show you all the list of the apps that is available on your device. You simply have to scroll down and search for the application messages. Once you find it, head over to it. It will land you on space. Now what you want to do is scroll down and you'll get to see the option or the feature where it says send as text message. You have to toggle on this button. Not only that, you also have to make sure that MMS messaging is also toggled on. Once this feature has been toggled on, you will be able to send a message when iMessage is unavailable. Not only this, you can also enable MMS by disabling iMessage option. And after that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can enable MMS on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.